Welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Luna.
Hi, Luna. Hi, everyone. It's great to see you all again. Thank you so much for joining us for another English learning episode.
Yes, today we're going to talk about something that everyone needs to do from time to time: visiting the doctor.
That's right. Sometimes we don't feel well, or maybe we just need a checkup. In this lesson, we'll listen to a short conversation between a patient and a doctor, and then we'll explain the useful words and phrases step by step.
So by the end of this video, you'll know how to talk about your symptoms, describe how you feel, and understand what the doctor says.
Exactly. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
All right, let's get started.
Before we listen to the dialogue, let's imagine the situation. A man named Tom isn't feeling well. He has a sore throat and a little fever, so he goes to see Dr. Lee for a checkup.
Tom checks in at the reception desk. Then he waits for his turn. Finally, the nurse calls his name, and he goes into the doctor's office.
Okay, everyone, let's listen to their conversation.
Good morning. What's your name, please?
Good morning. My name is Tom Wilson. I have an appointment with Dr. Lee.
All right, Mr. Wilson. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Good morning, Tom. How are you feeling today?
Hi, doctor. Not very well, actually. I've had a sore throat for 3 days, and I also have a bit of a fever.
I see. Have you had a cough or a runny nose?
Yes, I've been coughing a little, and my nose feels stuffy.
Sounds like you might have a cold or the flu. Let me check your temperature. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Your temperature is 38.2 degrees Celsius. That's a mild fever. Let's take a look at your throat. Say ah.
Ah.
Yes, your throat looks red and a bit swollen. I'll give you some medicine to help with the pain and fever.
Thank you, doctor.
You should also drink plenty of water, get some rest, and avoid cold drinks for a few days.
Okay, I will.
If you don't feel better in 3 days, please come back for another checkup.
All right. Thanks again, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Welcome back. That was a very natural and useful conversation. Now let's look at some of the important words and phrases from that dialogue.
Great idea. Let's start with the basics. An appointment means a time you arrange to meet someone, usually a professional like a doctor, dentist, or teacher. Example: I have an appointment with Dr. Lee at 10 a.m.
When the nurse says, "The doctor will see you in a few minutes," it means your turn is coming soon. This is a polite and formal way to say, "The doctor will meet you soon."
A sore throat means your throat hurts when you swallow or speak. Example: I can't talk much because I have a sore throat.
A fever means your body temperature is higher than normal. Normal temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. If it's higher, like 38 degrees Celsius, you have a fever.
A runny nose means your nose keeps dripping, like when you have a cold. A stuffy nose means your nose feels blocked and it's hard to breathe.
Medicine is something you take to feel better. Example: the doctor gave me some medicine for my cough.
When the doctor says, get some rest, it means sleep and relax so your body can heal.
This means drink a lot of water. The word plenty means a lot.
A checkup is a general examination by a doctor. If you don't get better, the doctor asks you to come back, to visit again.
Now let's look at some common expressions you can use when visiting a doctor.
Yes, these are very helpful for real situations. Expression meaning example: I'm not feeling well. You feel sick. I'm not feeling well today. I've had a headache for 2 days. To describe how long you've been sick. I've had a sore throat since Monday. It hurts when I swallow. To explain pain. It hurts when I move my neck. I think I have a cold. To guess your illness. I think I have a cold because I'm sneezing. What should I do, doctor? Asking for advice. Thank you for your help. Polite closing.
These sentences are easy to remember, and you can use them anywhere in the world.
Exactly. And if you're nervous, it's okay. Doctors understand patients who speak slowly or with an accent.
Now, let's listen to the dialogue again. This time, try to understand more words and phrases.
Good morning, Tom. How are you feeling today?
Not very well. I've had a sore throat and a little fever.
Let me check your temperature. You have a mild fever. Drink plenty of water and get some rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Welcome back. Now it's your turn. Let's practice some sentences together.
I'll say the sentence and you repeat after me. Ready? I'm not feeling well. I have a sore throat. Can I get an appointment? I need to see a doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Great job. Practice these every day so you can speak confidently when you really need them.
Here's a small tip about visiting the doctor in English-speaking countries. Usually, you need to make an appointment first. You can't just walk in unless it's an emergency.
Yes, and when you meet the doctor, it's polite to say good morning or good afternoon and to thank them before leaving.
Also, in many clinics, you'll meet a nurse first. The nurse may check your blood pressure, temperature, and weight before you see the doctor.
That's right. So learning these simple English words will really help you communicate better in real life.
Okay, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We listened to a conversation between Tom and Dr. Lee. Tom had a sore throat and a fever. The doctor gave him medicine and advice.
We also learned useful words like appointment, sore throat, fever, medicine, get some rest, drink plenty of water.
And common phrases like, I'm not feeling well. I think I have a cold. What should I do, doctor? Get well soon.
You can use all of these in real conversations the next time you visit a doctor.
Now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. Have you ever visited a doctor who spoke English? What did you say? What did the doctor ask you?
Yes, share your experience. And if you have any questions about vocabulary or pronunciation, we'll help you in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Smooth English. Share this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful.
Remember, learning English is like taking care of your health. You have to practice a little every day.
That's a great way to say it, Luna.
Thank you, James. And thank you, everyone, for learning with us today.
We'll see you next time with another practical and fun English conversation.
Until then, keep learning and stay healthy. Bye, everyone.